stage, all right? After Daniel and Patricia. Patricia, Danny has something to say to you.
I've known you for years. You have a beautiful 6-year-old.
Were you married? Wow. You know, that's wonderful. You know, it takes God's man to do that in front of many people. Because you never know, right? But obviously, Patricia is in love with